Oh, massive kiss of death there from Josh. Blimey. So, jump number 1. Big switchblade there, looking back. So, round number 2. Josh Grimrod on his way in. Let's see what he's got. Oh, a little seat thing. Not sure what it was called, but I like the look of it. Made it look very easy, whatever it was. Nice little whip getting that bike sideways. Oh, a little bit scared. It's just loosening off. It's going to be coming. Third and final round, all to play for. Mikey's got tense up on the top. Oh, nice switchblade there. Playing it safe, getting himself into it. Feet in the air, 75 feet in distance. What can we do? Massive backflip. So we've been broke FMX. Thanks a lot for making loads of noise. Do not forget, we will try a bit harder tomorrow. Feel a bit more in it.